Hello guys, this is Gopi back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about array list. To demonstrate array list, I have created a new class called my array list, and within that I do have a main method. We already know how to work with array. So what is the difference between array and array list? Array have a fixed size. You will not able to modify that, and array is of tightly coupled with the data type. All those things doesn't available in the array list. That's the thing. Apart from that, array and array list are same. Array list is a dynamic type. Also, array list can contain n number of data. Dynamically, it can improve the size as well. Shouldn't be an issue. That's what the array list is. Apart from that, as like array, you will be able to have access any data. You will be able to access any data using index, insert method, remove method. Everything will be available as like array. Okay, array list is a non-generic type. So array list actually coming from system.collection namespace. Here you can see I have a generic. You can remove that. Let me create one object for the array class here, array list. So array list equal to new array list of. So we have a array list class, and in that object, let me try to insert. We do have a two different method. One is nothing but insert, another one is nothing but the insert range. Insert method helps you to insert a specific record. Let's say example at the 0th index, try to insert first. Okay, and if you wanted to print, you will be able to use for each as like any other collection. So let me use array so that I can use a console.writeLine of item. As of now, in the array list, I do have only one element that too got inserted at the place 0. What I do is, how will I able to add any data without index? So to do so, we do have add method. This add method helps you to add any number of record. Let's say example, I do have a second, and then let me have 3. So whatever it may be their data, it does not going to throw me any error because it will work as expected. This is how array list work. You can increase the size of the array list dynamically. Also, it can able to hold data of various different types. So that's how array list work, and that's the difference between array and array list. Keep in mind, I have add right. Likewise, I do have a add range method. Add range method helps me to add various collections data. Let's say example, let me try to create one more array list where array list equal to new array list of the constructor and then the curly braces. Within this curly braces, you can have any data. Let's say example 1, 2. So now what I do is, I wanted to add this array list value into the this array. What I can do is, array dot add method will not work for this scenario. You have to use add range of array list. Now you can see, right, you didn't get any error. Let's try to run the program and see how add, insert, and then the add range method works. So here you can see that I'm getting first, second, 3, empty, 1 and 2. So that is how the array list are working. Apart from this add range, insert method, we do have remove method helps me to remove a specific data from the array list. Let it be after add range, what I do is, from the array I have, let me try to remove. We do have a different remove method. One is remove a specific data. Another one is remove a specific data from a specific index. And then the remove range. What is the start and what is the end index? And that's what you have to do. Remove range, accept two parameter. What is the start index? Let's say example, from the first index, I wanted to remove two different elements. This is what remove range method. Let me run the program. So here you can see I got first empty 1 and 2. In between data got missed because of the remove range method. We do have one more method. Let's say example, array dot contains. This contains method tries to find out one specific data in the array list. If it is available, it will return true. If it is not available, it will return false. So that is how array lists are working. Keep in mind, array list, array are quite similar. The difference are, array list can have a dynamic number of data. It can increase dynamically. Also, it can hold any data type element. It is not binded towards the data type. That's the difference. Let's meet you on another video. Till then, bye. Take care.